What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2013 Victory Vision. Guys, this bike is amazing. It's got ABS, guys. Now, I don't know if you guys have ridden this bike. It might look a certain way, but it rides. It rides incredible. I mean, like, this is like riding on a magic carpet that's made of marshmallows and love. I mean, it is just incredible, the riding experience. I'm sure Sean will explain how insane it is. Oh, okay, so that's how you do that. The bags are so tiny. Like, who invented these bags? They're so tiny. For such a big bike, you'd think it'd have a little more space. The top trunk's actually got decent space. Yeah, not crazy. Not gold wing space. But this is the walk around, guys. Let me go. This is in really good shape. It's 2013. I don't know the miles actually. It's got ABS. It's got obviously that 106 that all Victories have. Besides, I guess the friggin' octane. Alright, it's got this. So it looks like it got scratched up, and then they use like a different colored touch-up. I wonder if I can get that off. See, it's stupidest color touch-up. I don't know who did that. Right there as well. You gotta really miss on that one. Looks like it's got a couple scratches. Like, not scratches, but like smudgy things in the clear coat there. A couple little smudgy things on the front. No. Air deflectors going down here. Big old Victory logo. I think these things light up. I don't know though. Don't quote me on that. I'm probably super wrong. But they're super cool. It's all pretty clean. Big old captain's seat. Now, it's got this like dual thing going on here. Obviously, all Visions are. They have like the presets for the radio stuff here. Oh, that's a compartment? That's sick. Aux cord, charging station. I didn't even know that existed. You learn something new every day with the Victory Vision. What's on this side? Oh, it must be like a fake panel. It's fake. It's got heated grips. Bada bing, bada boom. Is this heated? No, doesn't look like it. It's got heated grips. It's got a light switch here. It's got adjustable windshield. It's got a lot of cool features. One cool thing about this is it doesn't have that like iPod dock that most Victories have from like the 80s. I freaking hate that connection. Oh, let me fire this beast up. How many miles are on this? There are 20,114. Fires up right away. That one's really good. That one's great. Tread on the front is good. She got tread on the back. Wow, such a big sweeping back fender. Tread on the back is good. Guys, like I said, what do you think? What do you think?
I love these bikes, man.
Yeah?
If you guys didn't see the walk around video, I actually showed you guys how you can lay, you can't really drop the bike. I mean, it lays down, it sits on these two things, they're made for it. It sits down on those two things, and you cannot get it past that, and then you just lift it back up. It's a pretty sweet bike. You've driven these. These are great big tall guy bikes.
Yeah, they are. They're great tall guy bikes.
And when you're as tall as me, 7'3".
You are spaced out so far on that bike.
Look, you don't need highway pegs.
Right, you just rest it on the end of the floorboard. I described it as being a magic carpet ride made with marshmallows and love. What do you think?
Yeah. More like I wouldn't say marshmallows, but more like cotton candy.
Oh!
Like the clouds are made with cotton candy. Marshmallows is super unrealistic. That's just kind of my. Did you open these things up?
That one's a fake one. That one's a real one.
Ooh. How do you put gas in it? Sure it's not this one?
I don't know. I couldn't get it open. Unless it's not a fake one. Unless I'm really stupid.
Oh,
I'm so dumb!
so dumb.
I'm literally so dumb. I have to do this whole thing over again.
All right.
They're just gonna roast me on YouTube.
There's the gas.
I don't like
You
that.
just turn this thing.
Some guy's gonna roast me on that. Oh my gosh, I'm ready for it.
I don't even know how I did it, but
I'm
somehow
about to go under witness protection. It opens.
There we go.
Sit, guys. Like I said, 2013 Victory Vision with ABS. This bike is amazing.
Guys, remember, Polaris said they're gonna be making parts for this thing for the next decade.
Yeah, and they might not make Victories anymore, but if they're making parts for the next decade, there's gonna be parts you can buy.
You know what I think? I think Victor's coming back.
Oh!
There's gonna be like that flag
You heard it
where
here
it's like the South is coming back, but like a gray for like us. But it'll be like Victory's coming back.
It's like at the end of a movie when you think the villain died,
Yeah,
and it turns out
comes out of
he's
the ground.
alive.
That's what's
That's
happening with
Victory.
Victory.
Cool. Check out the test drive, guys. Thanks for watching.